In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter expenses in Zoho Books, whether you're a small business owner or handling finances for your team. Zoho Books offers a streamlined way to manage your expenses efficiently. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step to ensure you have all the knowledge you need to master this task. First, head over to the Zoho Books website and log into your account. Once you're in, we'll start by navigating to the main dashboard, which serves as your central hub for all financial activities. From here, look towards the sidebar or the top menu where you will find the Expenses tab. This section is dedicated entirely to managing the costs incurred by your business. Click on Expenses to proceed. You'll be taken to a page showing an overview of all your current and past expenses. This is a great place to review and analyze your spending habits over time. Now, we want to enter a new expense, so look closely at this page and locate the New button. Clicking this will allow you to start documenting a new expense transaction. The first field you'll encounter is the date of the expense. It's crucial to choose the correct date when the transaction occurred, as this impacts your financial reporting and tax filings. Once that's set, move on to selecting the appropriate expense account. This could be anything from travel and lodging to office supplies, depending on what's most relevant to your incurred cost. After selecting the expense account, the next step is to input the amount you've spent. Be precise here, as this figure represents the actual financial impact of the particular transaction on your business. With the amount entered, we move on to the next option, which is how the expense was paid. This could be through a bank account, credit card, or any other payment method you use. Next, choose a tax type, if applicable. This choice will vary based on your local tax laws and the nature of the expense. It's vital to ensure that the correct tax type is chosen to maintain compliance and accuracy in your financial records. Once you've done that, you'll pick the vendor from whom you purchased or paid for the service or product. Selecting the correct vendor helps in maintaining records for financial audits and reports. Following this, there's an option for entering a reference number. This could be the invoice number, receipt number, or any unique identifier that'll help you track and reference this expense in the future. If the expense is tied to a specific customer, like a billable expense, be sure to select their name from the customer list to associate this cost with them. Finally, with all details filled out, review each field to ensure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, click on Save to record the expense in Zoho Books. And there you have it. You've successfully entered a new expense. By following these steps, you can manage your business expenses with ease and accuracy, helping you stay on top of your finances. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial enlightening.